Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be exploring how financial institutions can build and create bespoke level lending automations on timveroAI's building platform with the help of our AI agent. A quick recap. What is our building platform? So building platform consists of a variety of building blocks, or in the more technical language, they are variety of services, microservices, modules, interfaces that is allowing financial institutions to build with these building blocks bespoke level lending automations. It's a quick recap of what's consist can be visible on the screen right now. Point of this is that this building platform allows an extremely custom level of the lending automation solution that can be built with it, with one specific point that it is need to be built by someone. And primarily developers has been a main workforce who has to customize all of this and actually deliver these lending automations for business leaders. And with our AI agent, we are about to change that. Our AI agent, this is based on Claude Code. This is the solution that allows both engineers and business leaders to build faster and reliably on our building platform. On my last video, I'm gonna attach the link right there. I explored how this AI agent can be accessed for developers via the IDE, so how they can use it when they are coding on our building platform. And this specific video today will be focused on how business leaders, without any development specific tools, can access our AI and how they can build custom solutions for them. Build, expand these solutions on our building platform. So let's start. In order to start this, we should have Claude Code application, desktop application, and already downloaded plugin. Also have access to our building platform, and reach out to us. We will help you with everything. So when you have your Claude Code terminal open on your machine, you need to access the very specific protocol inside the Pumpkin development plugin that is named Pumpkin Dev Generate Project. And this command will start our AI and will start set of our agents and will start helping you to customizing the solution. So this plugin and the work with this plugin consists from four main phases. Now we're on phase 1, you can see it right there. And the first one is requirements gathering. Second one is also polishing the requirements, so basically providing the architectural solution of how this automation will be built. The third one is actually customizing, so developing on our building platform, so implementing all of these custom requirements. And the first one is Q&A session. And then basically the project is ready, your custom automation is ready, and you can open it up and test it. We gotta be there. I will also show it to you how later on you can also test what you get. For the demo purposes, we will go with the option 3. That is, we will just describe in the words what we need our AI to build for us, but also some other options are possible, like step by step, a quick start, or just explore all the capabilities that can be done. And there they will explain which options provide you what type of services. Let's go with describing in plain English. And we will just provide some kind of relatively general requirements for consumer lending automations. Some documents should be provided. Some documents should be generated. We will also need to have at least one launch of workflow for the grade score check, then we also will need to generate some loans. So the system should understand that except for entire process, also some products catalogs has to be connected to this specific assembly. Okay, let's go with it. Perfect. As a result of the first agent, this is not the result of the entire phase, but as the result of the first agent analysis, we have structured requirements of who going to be the participant, basically dividing the document on which should be just required to be provided and which of them also should be templated based and signable, how much grade scoring should be connected, offers, and list of our statuses. Here we also have some questions. Our AI is built for highly regulated environment, that is banking operations, we have a lot of anti-hallucination patterns in it. When it doesn't know something, it asks. It's not trying to fill the gap of some information with hallucinations or with some custom code or custom solution. So here we have a few questions. Number one is, which specific external data sources do we need? Our AI understands that if we should have the scoring as part of the process and scoring should be connected, we also perhaps need some data sources to be connected. Some questions regarding the statuses, just to make sure we do understand how they work. And also some questions, do we need any extra participation? Or do we need any kind of collateral? In this case, we will not be building this with the collateral. The main idea, by the way, of this agent is you can build something simple. It will take like 20 minutes total time to build this. No, maybe 30 minutes. Maybe this video is going to be 20 minutes because I will speed up some development process, but in total it may take about 30 minutes. You can test it. You can see how it will work, how this process works inside the system. We will also see this together. And if you then need to add some extra participants like guarantors, consignees, if you need to add collateral to your deals, to your assembly with its own process, you can just expand with the same agent, or you can hand over to your development team and they will expand on it. Okay, let's provide the replies. Good. System once again provided us structured requirements, not structured, like initially structured requirements for review. All correct, all good. And now we just need to add the title of our project we're working on. Good. So now our agent goes into the plugin, into the documentation, into the building platform itself, into the MCP of our building platform in order to explore the items. What's the items and basically what is done right now? So the items, think of them as of the tokens of our building platform. It's not necessarily the specific building block, like specific module. Sometimes it can be something more like smaller. But the items, this is the abstraction that possess two main things and which is used by our AI to build, to understand the requirements and to build. Basically, these two things that items should possess is, first, it should be reasonable from the business sense to be separated. Like, let's say, items for actions, items for events, items for approach to create different types of entities, and so on and so forth. And the point number two is that these items should also have clear inputs and outputs. So in this way, our AI understands what's basically a bunch of the smaller items, tokens it possesses, It also understands what's the business sense of them. So let's say that events, they are automating something. So when the user says, I need an automation, in our case, our AI understands this. So like huge vocabulary in order to map the general requirements in the plain English, French, Russian, whatever, with the specific building blocks of our solution. So that's the agents. And basically the system right now accessed all of them and made this quick mapping. And after this mapping, we have finished phase 2, that is the checkpoint, and it's presenting us how this will be customized, which flows will be implemented, which agents perhaps will be used, so some technical details in order to not make the building black box. So everything with our AI agent should be traceable and compliance ready. Okay, we approved this, all good. Perfect. Every set is ready for generation, and right now set of the AI agent is going deeper into the specification of each agent in order to understand how they should be customized. Not only what they do, but also how they should be customized, how they should be assembled into the final architecture to fulfill the user's request for bespoke landing automation. And it will also go to the actual building. And yeah, let's just wait for a couple of minutes for the result. Okay. So we can see that all of our agents, they finish the customization of our solution. They also provided us a summary what has been implemented. They also provide some developers to do if you need to launch this application instantly, and also connect some data sources. And yeah, so we have everything. We have everything right there, and we will just ask Claude to run this application for us on the local machine. So we can see it, we can test it, and we can play with it and see how our requirements has been implemented. Okay, good. So we can see that our application is up and running on the local host. So let's try this one. Sure, our application is up and running. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a quick set of basic settings. The application form, like the test one, just to be generated. Agreement, products, offer engine, some basic, very simple approval flow, just start and approved. And then we will test out the assembly that we've been received with. Okay, so we've done this set of the very basic settings, and now let's try out our application. Okay, initialize ID, just as we asked it for. Some documents, also good. Let me define some documents. ID and documents. Okay. Good. Also, system just right now generated the form. We will not be downloading this form, but if we need to, we can easily download this. And okay, we click signing and perfect. So basically we've seen that the system went to this status really quickly and executed the underwriting algorithm decision tree, and it's right now executed with a successful output. So we just don't have the sophisticated algorithm, but you can easily customize this. And system also created all the approved offers by the pricing engine. In this case, we just said that you can go strictly and approve maximum terms. Here we can see that we have a loan. We have an additive from 1 to 10,000 and 1 to 12 months. Okay, so let's take 9,000, 12 months. Okay, good. And perhaps we have a last step. Yeah, the last step that also system generated the agreement. So we can upload the agreement since we don't have any automatic. We didn't ask system to connect any kind of a signature, so we have to click sign manually. But of course, you can extend our solution. We already have a few integrations. They can be just connected as the part of document module. Signed and all good. And that's it. So this one has been approved. So that's it. So in a matter of 30 minutes, basically doing not much things ourselves, we were able to get received with a fully working application built on our building platform. So you don't need to use this AI just as a prototyping tool. It's actual production grade ready solution because it's built on trusted infrastructure. And so it's fully operational. We have the create product catalog. We have the pricing engine. We have the workflow. So everything is working. You can just go there, create your underwriting model, create your products. If you need some extra status, you can get back to the AI and ask it to add some features. With the pumpkin implement comment, it will once again work on your requirements with you, find out all of the details, create the specification, and we'll go and implement new features for you. So if you need any filters, you also need actually loans, like the servicing framework to be added. You need your account, you need everything. You can just go and ask this pumpkin implement to implement this, all the features that you need to expand the assembly. Or also, if you want just to test some hypothesis, you can stop on this and can basically hand over this assembly to your development team, and they, with the help of our AI integrated into their ideas, can expand with it. So basically that's it. That's it for today. Next time, we're going to be talking more on the expansion, on adding these features, and yeah, what else you can add, what you can do with this, with our AI. But if I can leave you with one final thought, is that building platform, bespoke level, unfeasible for any kinds of other solutions in this market. And AI right now brings the speed and simplicity. You don't need to go through this learning curve to understand all of the curves of the building platform, of items. All you need to do is just shut out your requirements with the AI, and in a matter of 30 minutes, it will implement the assembly for you, fully bespoke and fully traceable and compliance ready. Thank you for your time. Cheers. See you soon.